In the search for alternatives to fossil fuels, governments, cities, and businesses are placing a spotlight on district heating and cooling. Johnson Controls Industrial Refrigeration Cooling, Heating and Energy Solutions offer a smart solution for all three to successfully navigate the energy transformation. We were the first to market eco-friendly heat pumps back in 1982. Since then, we've created the strongest portfolio of technology and refrigerants in Europe, constantly pushing the limit of temperature upwards. Supporting the growing electrification and digitalization of the future smart city. Our heat pump system captures and amplifies energy that is otherwise wasted from any application with incredible efficiency. First, the energy is used to power the evaporator, which heats a refrigerant. This steam then flows into our unique screws compressor, which uses vibration monitoring and skip-free speed-controlled capacity control to create extremely high pressure and heat. This heat is released through our 3-in-1 condenser. Our vibration-proof design provides outstanding life cycle performance on a compact footprint. Delivery can be modular if the available space is narrow, and easy access to components, sensors, and gauges keeps servicing simple. A range of key design features, including our leading controls equipment, ensure that full operational potential is optimized. Every detail helps to support reliability and the longest possible service intervals, with the highest possible efficiencies, grid flexibility, and the lowest possible running costs. In turn, our unrivaled OEM capabilities and full lifecycle services provide total peace of mind and the best return on your investment. So you can work with a robust, large partner to achieve your operational goals, reduce your carbon footprint, and prepare effectively for a sustainable future.